How to sell digital sewing and craft patterns on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining this platform for those who don't know what is the job of this platform. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy other people's products. As you can see in here, most of these products are handmade products. So here we have a lot of categories. Let's go with craft and supplies and tools. Let's go with woodworking and carpentry, just to show you what you're going to learn in this video. Let's go with workbenches, and let's just go back. Let's go back and let's choose one of these products. Let's choose this one, even though its picture is not appearing right now. Let's just choose it. It's a bestseller right now, so let's check this bestseller. Maybe we can take some inspiration out of it. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your shop page like this one, how you can set these details, and also how you can write a description like this one, as you can see in here, and how you can set your return and exchanges policy. And also I'm going to show you how you can upload the pictures of your product. So let's just close this one and let's go back and click in the shop manager button. Then let's start from the beginning, which is the first step, shop preferences. And here the shop preferences. Let's get started. Tell us about you and your shop. So you just choose the language of your shop, its country, and the currency of the shop. So for me, I'm going to choose the United States dollar, and then click on save and continue. After that, you choose a name for your store. So for me, I'm just going to choose my niche's name as my shop's name. So let's delete this and let's remove the spaces and let's try to shorten it to 20 characters or less. It's still long. Let's remove patterns, then click on save and continue. After that, you go to add in some pictures and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So here let's add some pictures of the product. As you can see in here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 pictures to show your item's most important qualities. Use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. So here, just upload at least one picture of your product, or you can upload as much as you have, but for the minimum you have one. Then you proceed to the next thing, which is the video. So here, bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So in here we type the name of our product like this, and then we answer these questions. Who made it? I did. What is it? A finished product. When did you make it? Recently. And for the category we just type in the product name and we choose one of these categories. Then we answer these other, or we fill these other details like the craft type. Let's go with 3D printing, the occasion, holiday, which are optional, so let's just skip them for now. Then we have the renewal options if you want automatic renewal or manual renewal. Then we have the type if it's a physical product or a digital product, and then you have the description. So in order to write a good description, start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners if you have any, and the section tags and materials, which are optional, so we're just going to skip them too. And then we have the inventory and pricing. So here let's write this number for example. Then let's turn on the domestic and global pricing. So it's the same. If you want to change the price between your country and everywhere else, then you have the quantity and the SKU number, and if you have any variations you can add them in here. And then we have the shipping settings and the returns and exchanges policy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.